Welcome to part 2 of our Questions and Answers series. In these next 5 questions, we explore FM operations, training, scalability, and the strategic advantages of BZERO's smart lighting platform. 6. How quickly can your team respond if a component fails? Our BZERO dashboard gives your facility team real-time alerts and remote troubleshooting capabilities. Most issues can be diagnosed and resolved remotely in minutes, drastically reducing equipment downtime and the need for on-site service calls. 7. Is the system user-friendly for our facility management FM team? Absolutely. The dashboard was designed for FM professionals, not software engineers. It uses simple, color-coded indicators and automated reports. It usually takes only 1 to 2 days of training for teams to confidently run the system by themselves. 8. What makes Auto Solutions different from other smart building providers? Our key differentiators are our hybrid architecture that guarantees reliability, our BZERO AI platform that integrates multiple building systems into a single ecosystem, and our proven track record with major clients. 9. Can the BZERO system scale across Singapore portfolio? Yes. Our cloud-based platform is built for scalability. It provides portfolio-wide visibility, allowing you to benchmark performance across different assets, standardize operations, and manage your entire building portfolio from a single dashboard. 10. How does this system support our ESG and Green Mark goals? Our system directly contributes to decarbonization goals, reducing energy intensity, automating compliance reporting, and aligning with Green Mark and GBIC standards. This creates measurable sustainability impact and elevates their ESG performance. This wraps up Part 2. Watch the full questions and answers for all 10 questions. Your technology partner, BZERO Technologies, and Auto Group of Companies.